Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate on this device. First of all, go into settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on display section. Now scroll down again, tap on motion smoothness and choose the best option for you, adaptive or standard. In my case standard, so now I need to click on this option here and save my changes by tapping on apply button. When I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!